Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In this video I'm going to show you how I made these adorable bee planters. They're made from old squash bottles, so it's something that would have gone into landfill or plastic recycling, and they look great wall mounted or just on a table with some plants in. So as I said, I made these using a squash bottle. I didn't film the process, but I did take photographs as I went through, so I thought I'd try to make this video just with a voiceover. I chose this design of bottle because it naturally has ridges on it. So the first thing I did is wash it thoroughly and dry it, and then I cut the tops off, making them all the same size. With the offcuts of plastic, I made 2 pairs of wings for each of the planters. I kept the wings quite rounded because bees tend to have very rounded wings rather than pointed ones, but really it doesn't matter what shape wing you make. I just went for a teardrop shape, and I tried to cut them all so that the ridges in the plastic were in the same place for all of them. So kept them all clean and dry, just gave the outsides a quick wipe with rubbing alcohol so that my acrylic paint would stick, and I also kept the bottle caps because that serves as like a little thing to stick on in between the wings towards the end. Once I'd done this, I made my first mistake with this project, and that was just going straight in with my yellow paint. The bright yellow paint that I had was semi-transparent, so it just wasn't covering properly at all. What I should have done is prime them first, or gone in with titanium white first where I was going to do the yellow. So what I ended up doing was painting them all with a couple of coats of this first, realizing that it just wasn't going to work for me. No matter how many coats I put on, it was never going to be a solid colour. So I mixed up some titanium white with a bit of yellow paint, and that gave me a very opaque kind of lemon colour. So once I'd done a couple of coats of that and that had dried fully, I went back over it again with just some of the slightly brighter yellow. I was never able to get them back to the really vivid yellow that colour would be on its own, but it worked out okay in the end, and I thought it looked really sweet. The other thing I did when I was cutting those things out is made a couple of like 2 little antennae for each of them, and again tried to make the ridges in the plastic be in the same place. Once the yellow had fully dried, I went in with the black paint and I painted the little antennae, did the stripes on the rest of the bottles, and also the bottle caps were black as well, so that looked really cool. So once the black antennae dried, I went back in with a bit of the lemon because it was just easier to do it that way around because they were primarily black. What I did then, which I didn't get pictures of, is punch holes in the pointed bit of the teardrop shape of each of the wings, and then I made a hole in the actual planter itself, and then using a paper fastener I attached the wings. Once the wings were attached, I used black hot glue to stick the bottle caps over the top of that little paper fastener, so that covers up where you've attached the wings, and on the inside I'd already stuck the little antennae down. I'd curled the antennae up a little bit to make them curl round, but actually I wish I hadn't done that because it makes them kind of stick into the plants a little bit. So once that bit was done, they were ready to put a plant in. So I've left these without any holes in the bottom, so you can just put a plant in a pot. Therefore the plant can drain, but these will hold a bit of water, and I think they're adorable. I really love them, so I may make some more, I may not, I don't know. I just thought they were really nice, and you can actually mount these on a fence, so they actually look nicer from the side because the wings are so big that they kind of cover up the stripes a little bit. So you could mount the wings a bit higher and therefore see the stripy body better, but either way I still think they're adorable, and I think hanging on a fence they would look really sweet. So I've put some trailing violas in there, and I've deliberately chosen colours that have the yellow and black so that they kind of blend in well with the outside of the planters. So I hope you found that useful. I'm sorry it's a short video and not very detailed, but as I say, I didn't actually film the process, so I just used the photographs that I had so I could show you how I made them, and then you can now make some in time for summer. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and take care everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.